Coronavirus was identified in 1965 as one of the first infectious replicatable viral models that could be used to modify a series of other experiences of the human condition. It was isolated once upon a time associated with the common cold. But in 1966, the very first COV coronavirus model was used as a transatlantic biological experiment in human manipulation. And you heard the date, 1966. And in 1967, we did the first human trials on inoculating people with modified coronavirus. And in 1975, 1976, and 1977, we started figuring out how to modify coronavirus by putting it into different animals, pigs and dogs. But then we had an interesting development in 2002. And this date is most important. Because in 2002, the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill patented, and I quote, an infectious replication defective clone of coronavirus. Infectious replication defective means a weapon. It means something meant to target an individual, but not have collateral damage to other individuals. That's what infectious replication defective means. And that work, patented at the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, mysteriously preceded SARS 1.0 by a year. We engineered SARS. SARS is the research developed by humans weaponizing a life system model to actually attack human beings. And they patented it in 2002. In 2005, this particular pathogen was specifically labeled as a bioterrorism and bioweapon platform technology. It was actually a biowarfare enabling agent, its official classification from 2005 forward, so that by 2016 we could publish the journal article that said SARS coronavirus is poised for human emergence. In 2016, it was WIV1, Wuhan Institute of Virology Virus 1, such that by the time we get to 2017 and 2018, the following phrase entered into common parlance among the community. There is going to be an accidental or intentional release of a respiratory pathogen. Does that sound like leak? 7 months before the allegation of patient number 1, 4 patent applications of Moderna were modified to include the term accidental or intentional release of a respiratory pathogen as the justification for making a vaccine for a thing that did not exist. The intent was to get the world to accept a universal vaccine template, and the intent was to use coronavirus to get there.